Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Candace, aka Curls Like Candy, and I'm here to show you guys how I've been styling my shoulder length Bohemian faux locks. I did these on myself and I've had them in for about a month. So I was like, let me just show you guys how I've been styling them. This first look is nothing to it. It's just a top knot with the back hanging down, and then I transition it into a ponytail and then added 2 locks in the front. Now, if you guys remember in my previous video, I did a lot of these looks with my goddess locks. So this style right here I did with longer locks. And I just wanted to show you guys that you can still achieve this look with shorter locks as well. So this next style is super cute. I'm gonna do a bun, and then instead of 1 lock on each side hanging in the front, I'm gonna take 2, and then I'm gonna twist them together, and I'm gonna seal them off with just a rubber band you can get from the hair store, just a little black rubber band to hold the locks in place. And of course, up next is what I call the holy grail with these locks, the pineapple. Most people don't think that you can achieve this look with shoulder length locks, but honey, let me show you. Okay. So y'all know I had to pause the video and go get my gold hoops, because a pineapple ain't set off until you got your gold hoops, and they gotta be extra large, okay? This next style is one of my favorite. I posted it on my Instagram and I got a lot of good feedback. I'm gonna take that pineapple that I had and center it and pull some locks down in the front and then create a bun on the top. And then with the locks hanging in the front, I'm gonna do what is called a lock knot. So I'm calling this faux lock knots with a bun. Now what I'm doing is taking a lock and folding it a little over in half, and then wrapping the lock down itself, and then placing the end of the lock through a small loop that's created from you wrapping the lock down itself. I really loved how this style turned out. I think it's one of my favorite now. Work. You see me heavy work. You see me. All right, so once I took the lock knots down, this is what I got. And then I was like, ooh, let me swoop it. So that created another style. Up next, I just did another super simple style. I split my locks down the middle as best as I could and put 2 buns. And then next I just pulled the locks through to create another style, and then I pulled 2 locks down in the front on each side. Super cute. And of course, you can always wear your locks down and flip to the side. Here's another one of my go-to styles. I'll just take locks on each side and twist them back and seal them with a hair tie. This last style you guys may have seen in my previous video on styling my goddess locks. I call this the basket weave. I love this style as well. It turned out super cute on short locks. All right, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.